Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 46. Mianhae. Mianhae. The word mianhae or mianhae is used to say I'm sorry in an informal manner. How do we write mianhae in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. But first syllable mi, we need to draw first a miyam character followed by an e character. For the second syllable an, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang followed by an al character followed by a nian character. And for the last syllable he, we need to draw a he character and an e character. Now let's try looking into this sentence. It says 정말 미안해, and in English it means I'm so sorry. That example sentence could be subdivided into 2. The first one is 정말, which means very much, and 미안해, which is our word for today, which means sorry or I'm sorry. So when these 2 are combined, it would result to 정말 미안해, which means I'm so sorry. So if you would remember, aside from 미안해 or 미안해, we have already discussed the word 죄송합니다, which is also used to say I'm sorry. So just remember that aside from 죄송합니다, there is also this word 미안해 or 미안합니다, which is also used to say I'm sorry. And with that, you've just learned 미안해. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 36 to 45. But don't forget our word for today, word number 46, 미안해, which means I'm sorry. The first word for our review is word number 45, 집 or 집에, which means home or at home. Word number 44 is 시간, which means time. Word number 43 is 고양이, which means cat. Word number 42 is 학생, which means student. Word number 41 is 아니에요, which means it's not. Word number 40 is ne or de, which is used to say yes in a polite and casual manner. Word number 39 is Aniyo, and this is used to say no in a polite manner. Next word is check, which means book. Next word for our review is word number 37, 학교, which means school. And the last word for our review, word number 36, it's 물, which means water. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.